And just like that, the car is now Bluetooth operational. So I don't need to connect to the wire anymore, except the charge. So bye-bye cable. But it's not a bad $50 option. Got that from a guy at work. It's just that way you have full access to your phone without the cable. Looks cleaner, easier. So you can use your phone while the Bluetooth is connected without the cable. I don't know what the extra cost would be for going through the Toyota dealership, but this was through Amazon, AutoSky, 50 bucks, can't beat it. Thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, share the information, appreciate it. Well, it was really easy to make the 23 Toyota Tacoma wireless Bluetooth for a $50 option. All you gotta do is plug that like a USB cord, a USB connector into the CarPlay. Here's the instructions. It's real easy. You plug it in, you match it to your phone, you match it to the CarPlay, and bam, it's now wireless. Don't need the wire anymore. So anytime you go into the car, automatically connects. Great option. Instructions are pretty basic, pretty easy. All you gotta do is pair it, your phone, to the CarPlay, and you don't need the cable anymore. Thumbs up, share the information, subscribe, leave a comment. I appreciate it. AutoSky works like a charm, real easy. Well, this is what comes with the AutoSky wireless fob from Amazon. It was like 50 bucks. You get a USB wireless adapter, USB to USB extension, and USB Type-C converter. Real easy to connect, so you don't need the wire. Here's the two connectors you get with it. That you don't even need it on a Tacoma. But you can see it comes with USB to USB, or USB to a C, probably for an Android. And all you do is plug that autoplay right into your CarPlay connector. It automatically makes the truck wireless and pairs to your phone. Real easy. Thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, share the information. Appreciate you. Alright, this is going to be the latest upgrade I'm going to add. AutoSky would be the Bluetooth adapter. See right here, I've got to keep the red line right here. Again, this was a $50 option out of Amazon. You just take this and you plug it in there, and that's going to turn the truck into a Bluetooth. So I don't need the red cable anymore, except to charge the phone. I think it'll be a nice option. So stay tuned, and we'll see what the next step is.